Come downstairs, little rat.
I'm so tired, but I have to get out of bed. Ah, oh no, brother is gonna kill me.
You woke me up, you filthy little rat!
I'm sorry.
Shut up!
It's hurt so much.
What are you doing?
Go.
Go eat now.
Oh, okay.
Make sure to eat the food or else I beat you. Only Milan, not you, my baby big kid.
Delicious.
It's tasty.
Tasty? It's just leftovers, kid.
Oh. Oh my god, it's a puppy.
Ugh, he gets on my nerves.
You're so cute. Brother, look. Huh, where is he? Brother, can I play with you?
Go away! Ugh, you made me lose. I'm done. You are cooked. Say goodbye.
Please no. Like and subscribe for next part.